Take command of the road in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a power seat, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.